Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Capital One for Autopay and due date changes, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Capital One website using your preferred web browser. Ensure that you are signed in to your Capital One account. On the home page, locate the Accounts tab at the top of the page. Click on the Accounts tab to access your account details. Find and select the credit card account for which you want to set up Autopay. Once in your account, look for the Payments section. In the Payments section, find the option labeled Autopay. Click on Autopay to initiate the setup process. You will be prompted to select your payment preferences. Choose whether you want to pay the minimum payment, the full balance, or a fixed amount each month. After selecting your preference, enter your bank account information if required. Make sure to review the terms and conditions associated with Autopay. Once you've confirmed your payment details, click Submit to finalize the setup. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that Autopay is now active. To change due dates, return to the Accounts tab on the home page. Select your credit card account again. Look for the Due Date or Payment Due Date option in the Account menu. Click on the Due Date option to view available options for changing your payment due date. Select the preferred new due date from the available options. Read the information on eligibility and frequency of due date changes. Confirm your new due date by clicking on the designated confirmation button. You will receive a notification confirming that your due date has been successfully updated. Review your account regularly to ensure that all details, including Autopay and due dates, remain accurate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.